Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I just have the one. I didn't upgrade anything on what used to be my mom's account that's now my side one, but I only have the main base level one there. I'm not gonna upgrade anything there, because again, if at any point she wants it back, I have to give it back, so anyway. This is what the bag looked like for July, and it's so friggin' cute! Like, I love that! And again, that blue. I'm in love with that blue. This one's like a very thin cotton, like an airy, breezy cotton, like something you would wear in July. I like it. I think it's a nice touch. So, first thing in here is a big ol' honkin' palette from Nomad Cosmetics. This is one of their intense eyeshadow palettes, and this is the Cartagena. The destination is Cartagena, Colombia. Coordinates are Puerta del Reloj, I guess. And inspiration, magical realism. So, look at these. This honestly, even though I think this was meant to be a summer palette, I'm like, bro, that can work as an autumn palette for me. All I have to do is like toss in a little bit of like tans or browns along with them, and those are perfect colors for fall. Okay, maybe not now that I look at them. They look a little different in person than they did on the back there. They're a lot more... I don't care. I'll wear them for fall anyway. So I'm going to cover the mirror. But, yeah, they're a little more bright than I thought they were. But look at these cute little animal faces imprinted on some of them. I don't even know what animal that's supposed to be. I think it's like a few different ones. Like, there's definitely a toucan, a bear of some sort. I think a snake, maybe. I have no idea what that other one is. Like an iguana. They're really cute. Their color names are Alpha, Persiguir Sueños, Toda la Vida, Eres el Mundo, La Diosa Coronada, Cien Años de Soledad, Realismo Mágico del Amor, Otros Demonios, Más Efemir, Más Intensa, Amores Contrariados, La Luz Malva, and Omega. They're very, very pretty, so I can't wait to dive into that, because those are like super bold colors, and I love Nomad Cosmetics. They're always so good. So, got that right off the bat that was too big to fit in the bag, and then for the stuff in the bag, we've got, do we have any info in this card? We don't. It's just the bronzer shit again. Alright. So, we'll skip that and just go right in. So, right here we have Dr. Eve Ryuth Limited Edition Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. So that's cool. Decent size too, honestly. We have Tarte Sea Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask in toasted coconut. Of course it's toasted coconut. Of all the things. Of course it is. But I did look at the ingredients on the back, and I don't think I see any legit coconut there, so I might be able to use it. I'm going to test it and see if I have a reaction. If not, cool. If I do, I'll wipe it off and give it to my mom like I do freaking everything else with the coconut in it. Then we have, I think, another palette. This one's a very palette-heavy bag. So this is from Beauty for Real, the Golden Hour Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. Inspired by the illuminating light from the golden rays of the sun, this richly toned eyeshadow palette features 8 alluring shades with a versatile range of velvety mattes to shimmering metallics and toppers to create a sultry sun-kissed look. Infused with mango butter and vitamin E, each shade is packed with the highest quality ingredients to create buttery soft textures that blend seamlessly and can be layered in infinite ways for an unforgettable statement. Where's it open from? Doesn't it just light out? There we go, okay. Ooh, okay. Those are hella sparkly, like, wow. Like, can we get a load of these, my dudes? Especially that blue. Like, for real, check out that blue. It's like a disco ball, and I'm in love with it. Like, oh, I'm so easily amused, but that blue is what it's all about. That pink is pretty good, too, though. Yeah. Anyway, so, there's that. I think the mail just got here. Hold on one second. I did hear the mailman, so Anyway, continuing right along. There's only like 2 more things in here. So this, honestly, is what I was looking most forward to, and I had totally forgotten about until I opened this and was like, oh my god, I have it! I totally forgot all about it. It is a 3rd palette. This one from Half Caked, which I love. Babe tested, vegan approved. It looks like a little floppy disk, which, oh, 90s kid. 9 pigment palette for your eyes only. The backside looks like old school instant messenger windows. Like, oh my god, I love it! My goodness. It's like, we have ingredients lists for oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I need to see these names. Okay, so this is actually a far more muted palette than I usually have. I'm going to cover the mirror, but like you can see the cute aesthetic around it also looks like old school computer stuff, which is so damn cute. But so the colors themselves are actually fairly neutral for me. I mean, not true neutral, but a hell of a lot closer than I usually get. But our color names are Disk Space, Set It Off, X-Files, OK Computer, 2 On, AO Technology, Buffering, Payload, and Digital Get Down. Oh my god, I could die of cute over that. Dude! Being the computer nerd I am, it's like even approximately the same size as a floppy disk was. Like, I just, the nostalgia feels are so real on this one. And finally, from Il Maquillage, we have the Black Card Lift Curl and Lengthening Mascara in Black Card. Okay. So I don't want to open it to look at the wand and pump air in it before I'm ready to use it. Oh, it's like weirdly matte. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that texture. It feels like a chalkboard. I'm like, It is literally making giving me goosebumps and making my hair prickle. Oh, okay. No. Every time I touch, I'm like, nope, nope, nope. Oh, yeah, texturally, I am having major sensory issues with this tube. Holy crap. Which is a shame, because this is a really good brand, but I'm like, oh, how the fuck am I going to use that? I may have to, like, wrap a washcloth around it when I go to use it, because, oh, I apparently cannot with that texture. Ooh. Oh, nope. But, I'm sure the product inside is hella good, but, oh, I am not a fan of that texture. Oh, it's so gross. Oh, I can't even make the goosebumps go away. Oh, I hate them. Oh. But everything else is great, and I'm sure the contents are great. It's just the packaging. Why did they do that? They probably did it to make it less slippy, but I mean, oh, you could add it a grip in another way. You didn't have to do it like that. Okay. I'm okay. Anyway, I know, you guys are probably like, dude, what the fuck, calm down. I'm like, yeah, well, this is like a little aspy meltdown that I'm having here right now. Ooh, yeah, textures sometimes, like, set me off hella bad. Like, oh, I cannot, with anything that feels like a chalkboard texture, even as a little kid, could freaking not with that. Frankly, chalk either. Like, even, like, sidewalk chalk on the ground is kind of, like, even just thinking that now, creepy crawlies. Anyway, so that's what I got in my July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag, so hopefully you enjoyed this more than I enjoyed touching that last item. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.